Hey, welcome back. And if you are brand new here, I am really glad you found this today. Because what I'm about to share with you is something the pharmaceutical industry does not want you to know about. There is a natural compound that research shows can lower blood sugar, burn stubborn belly fat, and clean your arteries, all at the same time. And it costs about $1 a day. Let me ask you something real. Are you watching your blood sugar numbers slowly creep up, even though you are trying to eat better? Maybe your doctor mentioned prediabetes. Maybe you are already on Metformin and wondering if there is something natural to help alongside it. Maybe you have been trying to lose weight, especially that stubborn belly, but nothing is working the way it used to. Your cholesterol numbers are not where you want them. Your energy crashes after every meal, and you feel like your body is just fighting against you. Here is the truth. Most people in this situation get put on one medication for blood sugar, another for cholesterol, another for weight. Each one comes with side effects. But what if one natural compound could address all of these at the root level without a prescription? That compound is called berberine. It is a natural alkaloid found in plants like barberry, dansel, and Oregon grape, used in traditional medicine for over 3,000 years. And it now has over 5,000 published scientific studies behind it, making it one of the most researched natural compounds in modern medicine. In recent years, it went viral across the USA as Nature's Ozempic, and that nickname stuck because clinical trials actually show results comparable to popular diabetes and weight loss drugs, but naturally and at a fraction of the cost. Let me show you exactly what it does inside your body. 5 benefits. Blood test. Healthy food. Body benefit 1. Blood sugar control. Berberine activates an enzyme called an AMPK. Researchers call this the metabolic master switch. When AMPK is activated, your cells become far more sensitive to insulin. They pull sugar out of your bloodstream more efficiently. Multiple clinical trials, including one published in the journal Metabolism, found that berberine lowered fasting blood sugar by an average of 20%, results comparable to the prescription drug Metformin. For people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, this is one of the most significant natural medicine findings of the last 20 years. Benefit to belly fat and weight loss. That same AMPK activation tells your body to stop storing fat and start burning it, especially visceral fat, the dangerous fat that wraps around your organs. A meta-analysis of clinical trials found that berberine led to significant reductions in body weight, BMI, and waist circumference. And unlike stimulant-based diet pills, berberine does this without raising your heart rate or causing jitters. It works at the hormonal and cellular level, fixing the broken system, not just suppressing it. Benefit 3. Cholesterol clearance. Berberine has been shown to reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol, by up to 25% in some studies. It activates a receptor in your liver called LDLR, which literally pulls LDL particles out of your bloodstream. At the same time, it raises HDL, the good cholesterol. Research published in the American Journal of Cardiology found that berberine outperformed some statin medications in certain patient groups without the muscle pain that statins are known to cause. Benefit for gut health and digestion. Most people don't know this, but berberine is one of the most powerful natural antimicrobials ever studied. It specifically targets harmful bacteria in your gut while protecting the beneficial ones. This is why many people report dramatically less bloating, better digestion, and more regular bowel movements within the first 2 weeks. A healthy gut microbiome is now linked to better mood, stronger immunity, and even better blood sugar control. Berberine works on all of these at once. Benefit 5. Inflammation and aging. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of most diseases that accelerate aging, from heart disease to cognitive decline. Berberine has been shown to suppress the NF-κB inflammatory pathway, one of the most studied inflammation pathways in the human body. Less inflammation means less cellular damage, slower biological aging, and better protection for your heart, your brain, and your joints. Here is exactly how to use berberine for maximum results. Take 500 milligrams of berberine 3 times a day, with meals. Always with food, never on an empty stomach. Reason: taking it with food improves absorption dramatically, and taking it during a carb-heavy meal helps blunt the blood sugar spike, which is exactly when you want it working. So the daily schedule is 500 milligrams with breakfast to 500 milligrams with lunch, minus 500 milligrams with dinner. Total 1,500 milligrams daily. This is the exact dose used in the majority of clinical trials. When buying berberine, look for berberine HCl on the label. This is the most bioavailable and well-studied form. Avoid proprietary blends where the berberine dose is hidden inside a formula. You need to know exactly what you are getting. Week 1 to 2. Less bloating, better digestion. Blood sugar starts stabilizing after meals. Fewer energy crashes after eating. Week 3 to 4. Weight begins to shift. Fasting blood sugar numbers improve. Cholesterol starts to change. Month 2 to 3. the full metabolic effect becomes visible. Blood sugar, cholesterol, and weight, all trending in the right direction. Energy is stable throughout the day. One critical point: Berberine is not a one-week fix. The clinical trials that showed the strongest results ran for 12 weeks. Give it at least 90 days before you evaluate. The people who give up at week 2 never see what happens at week 8. Safety: who must check doctor first. A few critical safety points. If you are currently taking Metformin or any diabetes medication, speak with your doctor before starting Berberine. Both lower blood sugar and combining them without medical supervision can cause your levels to drop too low. Same with blood pressure medications. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, avoid Berberine. And if you are taking antibiotics, space Berberine at least 2 hours apart. This video is for education. Always get your labs checked and work with your healthcare provider. If this video opened your eyes today, hit that subscribe button right now. Every single day I release research-backed health videos that can genuinely change how your body feels. Share this with someone who needs it. You might be changing their life today. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself.